How to dropship on Wix complete e-commerce tutorial. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily set up our online store on Wix. So all we need to do is to answer what kind of website are you creating, online store. Next, and after a small operating preparing our dashboard, we'll come to the page where we can easily manage all the things related with dropshipping. Here I want to show you how can we set up, customize and manage even payments on Wix. So here we are, we need to add the name, let it be like store 2. Next, do you already have an online store? Yes, no, I'm just starting out. Next, what would you like to sell? I think I would like to use dropshipping products. Next, and where would you like to sell? Online store, mobile app, in person, let's say online store. Next, continue to the dashboard. And now we need to add products inside of our store. How can we do that? In the left side menu, find this folder, store products, and then choose subfolder products. Here we can manage all the products we have. Basically, these are template products, like fake products or something like this. And all we need to do is just simply click on manage, edit product, and we can see all the fields we need to fill to our new product. We can also customize this cart. We can add our images, videos, photos, descriptions, and so on. And it's definitely the best way of how to interact with this stuff. But as you can see, we can also click on cancel and then just simply add a new product in the right top. So here we can easily add all the information, images, videos, name, description, price, custom text, and so on. Nothing hard, so all we need to do is just simply add all the information and all the products. I don't recommend you to start with a huge amount of products. We can just sell maybe 5, 3, or even 1 product. And as you can see, they have main information, which is called name, type, number, price, and inventory. In order to manage our inventory, we can go to inventory subfolder and here choose the inventory status, in stock or out of stock. Also, we can create different categories to make it easier to navigate for our customers. We can go back in stock request, also find products to sell. Wix provides us the opportunity to use these features like Printful or Modelist to create t-shirts or something like this. And also we can connect e-commerce app from this page here. As you can see, there are a lot of them. I think you'll find suitable one as for you, depends on your purposes, of course. Some of them are free to use, and also we have for example $9 per month and so on. In order to manage our products or orders, we can go to orders area where we can easily see all the products we'll have, all the orders we'll have from our customers, and we can manage them already here. Also, we need to manage our billings and payments. So we need to open billings and payments folder and here click on manage payment methods. Here we need to basically select the necessary one as for us. We can accept payments through PayPal or accept credit, debit cards with Wix. I recommend you to connect this feature. As you can see, we just simply need to click on continue and then just simply select the necessary one. Just follow the steps described in this way. So now we are ready to interact with our site design. So we can go to home page and then just simply click on design site. After that, we'll come to the page where we need to answer for the question, how would you like to design your website? We need to click on pick a template. And here we can easily create a new website according to templates we already have. We have 11 pages of different types of online stores. In my case, I'm going to use this one here. We can click on view and easily find all the structure, all the pages we have to see how will it look like. As for me, it's pretty cool. I'll just customize every single part here. Nothing hard, so let's click on edit this site in the right top. So it may take a little time, and after that our website will be created and the base template will be used as I choose. So now we just simply need to wait. It may take a little time, depends on our server's capacity and maybe internet connection. And yeah, here we are on our editor. Firstly, we need to manage structure. Click on pages and menu, and here we can find all the pages we have. I'm going to delete contact us page. I'm going to delete blog page. Yeah, we can delete it. I'm going to delete join CSA page, and also I want to delete about page. So we'll only have homepage and order online. Also, we can add some additional pages if it's necessary. As you can see, we have like different templates, and also we can even create a blank page as we need. The next thing, I would like to manage a site design. I'm going to choose a color theme. I'm going to change it to this one, maybe, or maybe to this one. So you can find the most suitable as for you. I think that I would like to use this one here. Also, I want to change text theme. I'm going to change text theme. I'm going to use this one. And also I want to change page transitions. I would like to use horizontal. So now we are ready to interact with our structure. We can easily delete the unnecessary sections. I want to delete this one here. Not duplicate, but delete. So let's delete it. Delete once more. Also, I would like to delete this section here. This one here. I would like to delete a lot of sections. So instead of these sections, I'd like to add a section about our team. Let it look like this. And also we can manage every single object inside. So we can manage text, we can manage the structure here. So it depends on your purposes. In my case, I'm going to add a button here to become a member of our team if somebody is interested. So I will move it right up here. And the same way we can interact with every single object. For example, with this stuff here, we can find the like photos, cards with information, and so on. So you can easily do it by yourself. Then we can click on publish in the right top to publish our website. So we'll be able to interact with the whole like website on the internet. It will be launched to the internet already. So yeah, click on done. Click on view site, and as you can see, our website is ready to be used. So we can get access according to this link. Let's click on done, close. And if you want to like upgrade your plan on Wix, we can easily compare them. In order to use like online store feature, we need to use core and the higher plans, business and business elite. As you can see, we have business, basic commerce, standard commerce, and advanced commerce features on every single plan. So this is a way of how to dropship on Wix. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.